So I think that the government of Goa, the international tour kelote. I say that these international tours which have been done are total waste of money. And why I say total waste of money? Kon gelte tourak, I asked the Honorable Minister to kindly justify how, in this answer which was given to us, LAQ 3B, which was on start question, 17/7/2024, I have no problem when an Honorable Minister goes for any international tour. No problem now. But when your OSD is taking a tour, OSD hotenna, and bill atte 1 crore 4 lakhs without minister, kon minister barabar gel zalyar, I think this needs to be inquired. Because OSD's appointment is co-terminus with the minister. Minister gel zalyar, change zalyar, he goes to a different ministry or he is out. If an official of the government goes, there's continuity. There is a report, there's a follow-up, there's an action. But if you bring an OSD who's just visiting on these jaunts, and I will just show, there was ITB Berlin, 7 May to March 23, Sean Mendes is gone. 1 crore 4 lakhs 5,940. Then, I'm talking only on when he has gone without minister. Road show in Frankfurt, Zurich, Vienna and Paris, 18/4/2023 to 26/4/2023, 1 crore 90 lakhs. Sean Mendes, OSD to Tourism Minister.